How to set the best time to post using real engagement data. Posting at the right time can double or even triple your reach and engagement. But how do you know when your audience is most active? Vista Social answers this with real-time engagement data. Once you've published a few posts through Vista Social, head to the Analytics section. You'll see performance breakdowns by time and date. Look for trends. When do your posts get the most likes, shares, or comments? Next, go to your profile settings and enable the Best Time to Post feature. Vista Social uses AI to analyze your audience's behavior and suggests the most effective posting windows for each platform. When you schedule a new post, Vista Social will automatically recommend those optimal times. You can still choose manually, but now you're equipped with data-driven insight. The result? Higher visibility and better engagement. If you haven't already, check the description for the link to join Vista Social for free. It's the easiest way to take the guesswork out of your posting schedule. By using smart data, you improve performance without extra effort. Let Vista Social guide your strategy and take your content to the next level.